In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to build a lead magnet delivery funnel with just one form. It's a simple process, but it can be incredibly effective at converting leads. Stick around till the end because I'll share an exclusive free trial link to the software we'll be using in the description below. You won't want to miss that. Building a lead magnet funnel usually involves multiple forms and steps, but with this method, we're going to streamline everything into a single form. This simplifies the user experience and boosts conversion rates. Here's how to do it. Start by selecting the lead magnet you want to offer. Whether it's a free ebook, checklist, or resource guide, make sure it's relevant to your audience and valuable enough to exchange for their contact information. Next, set up your funnel in the software we'll be using today. For this step, create a new funnel and choose a lead magnet or free offer template. This will automatically set you up with a clean, simple layout. Now here's where the magic happens. Instead of having separate forms for collecting email and delivering your lead magnet, we're going to use just one. In this form, include a few fields like name, email address, and perhaps a phone number if it makes sense for your offer. The key is to keep the form short and easy to complete so that people don't abandon it midway. Once the user submits their info, instead of a traditional thank you page, you'll set up an automatic delivery. This means that as soon as they click submit, they'll be redirected to a page where they can instantly download or access your lead magnet. Now, to make sure this works smoothly, you'll need to integrate your email list with the funnel. When a user submits their information, they'll also be automatically added to your email list, so you can start nurturing them for future offers. This also allows you to follow up if necessary and continue engaging them with more value. One key thing to keep in mind here is the importance of a smooth user experience. If the form is too long or complicated, it could lead to high drop-off rates. Keep it simple, keep it fast, and make sure that once they fill out the form, they can access their content immediately. If you're following along and want to implement this strategy, I highly recommend using the software we're using today. It's the simplest and most effective tool I've found for creating funnels like this one, and as a viewer of this channel, you can get an exclusive free trial link in the description below. To quickly recap, here's what you need to do to build a lead magnet delivery funnel with one form. 1. Choose your lead magnet and make sure it's compelling. 2. Set up a simple funnel using a lead magnet template in the software. 3. Add a simple form with essential fields like name and email. 4. Automatically deliver the lead magnet after form submission. 5. Integrate your email list to nurture leads after submission. Key takeaway: the simplicity of using just one form in your lead magnet delivery funnel will improve user experience and increase conversion rates. Don't overcomplicate the process, keep it smooth and efficient. Before you go, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial in the description. It's a great opportunity to start implementing this strategy right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.